What up, good people? It's your boy Kingpin. On today's video, I'll be showing you how many pips I caught on Forex trading market. As it's been a while, I know, guys, I haven't shot such videos, but today I will show you how many pips I caught on day before yesterday, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so basically, if you want some knowledge or you want some teachings regarding Forex market, the link will be down on the description, my Instagram link, whereby you can DM me and we can take it further. And I'll let you know how you need to you look the market. I'll teach you from beginning to intermediate class and also advanced. And remember, I don't trade fundamentals or news, if I may say. Let's jump into the video. On today's video, guys, I'll be showing you some recap which I capitalized based on trading Forex. So if you don't know, guys, my name is Kingpin, so I trade Forex, and yeah, basically I also teach. And yesterday I couldn't shoot this video because I was live on another YouTube stream. So apparently he was informing us how the market will move, but only to find out when I comment on his live stream on YouTube, I told him that I see a lot of pairs, currency pairs, which will go for sale. So this is the recap I will show you guys. Let's jump into it. So on the first one, we see GBP USD. So GBP USD, I went to daily time frame. As I see, the sellers were dominating also on 4 hour. But one thing I saw on 4 hour, I saw what's this? A head and shoulders, or if I may say, a double top. So I went to 1 hour. That's where I saw it in a better picture or with a better move, which I will capitalize for sale. And then that's where I started to analyze until 2:15 minutes, where I was going to take my entry. And this was my entry when the market started to break this trend line and went down. Then it played along and came to retest the support level, which becomes the resistance level or the trend line. Then it started again to go down, sorry about that, and also came for the last time to retest the support level, which becomes the resistance level. So that's where it started to shoot down for sell, and my TP was this two candlestick. However, it didn't reach down there on these two candlesticks, so I decided to put my stop loss, and it touches my stop loss. But however, let me see how much pips did I capitalize on. So it was 180 pips, 120 pips, sorry, for GBP USD. And be advised, one thing I've noticed about the pairs which I trade, they go hand in hand. So when GBP USD goes for sale, in most cases, even Euro USD, let's go to Euro USD. And for also on Euro USD, I was stating it will sell. However, it breaks out as a fake breakout. Then it came to the channel and break out also again. On this green candle, I knew that it will come to test either the first trend line or the second trend line. Then I caught my entries on this 50 moving average for sale. Then it went down. Then it came for the last time to retest the 15 moving average. Then it went for sale, and even now I was still on profits because my TP was my TP was around here. Yeah, I think it touches my TP. Then I went out of the market. And how many pips? So it was 69 pips. So it's 69 pips plus 120 pips. That's how much I capitalized. Also on GBP USD. GBP USD, I knew that it was ranging between these resistance level and support level. Also, this golden zone was blocking the market to go for sell, but I knew that we are looking for sell on GBP JPY and also GBP USD. However, as I've stated on the beginning of the video, that I was online on another YouTuber's live stream, so I commented on his what's this live stream, and I stated, to me I see a lot of currency pairs will go for sale. So it showed the market that it will go for sale. However, I was supposed to wait until the market breaks this trend line and this support level, which becomes the resistance level. So on the second candlestick, which is this one, it came to retest the first horizontal line of the resistance level. So that's where I put my entries for sale. And let's see how many pips did I capitalize. So I took my profit exactly on the golden zone where it ends. So it was 101 pips. So all in all, I will add those pips and I will inform you on the description below or on the title when I upload this video on YouTube. So it's 101 plus 120, also 69 pips. So let's go for Euro JPY. As I've told you, all the pairs which I trade, in most cases they go hand in hand. When I see a trade on GBP USD and I executed it, I know I should go to Euro USD so I can also capitalize more entries and more pips. Also on GBP JPY goes the same way. So on GBP JPY, it break the support level on this wedge. So I took my entries right on this red candlestick when it came to retest inside the channel of this resistance level and the support level. Then the second candlestick, it shoot down until it break this trend line. Then that's where I was in profit. I remember I put more entries on this red candle, and only to find out I was in a loss of how many pips? So it was 29 pips. But the reason I didn't panic was that the entries which I made here, it was on profit. So these ones which I made, the second entries down here, they were only ones that were on negative. And while the market was busy playing on long, I knew it will sell even more than this first drawdown. Then I knew that it will come for the second drawdown because I capitalized on both session, which was London session and New York session. And also guys, I don't wanna state the name of the person who I informed him about my strategy on his stream, because it will seem like I'm making myself better than that person. But I was sharing my opinion also so that I can also get some views or subscribers. And hustlers don't compete, we dominate, and by dominating, it's how you show love to another people. So don't forget to like and subscribe on this video, and let's jump into it. So it was okay, London session was here, then the New York session was here. So I capitalized on the Asian session, which was yesterday night. So I slept putting my stop loss on break even here. But when I woke up today, which is the 28th of September 2022, so let's see how many pips have I capitalized, because as soon I woke up, I just decided to take my profit on every pair which I've traded yesterday. So it was around, so it's 70.8 pips. Guys, don't forget also that I trade London session. If I don't get any entry on London session, I also trade New York session. And let's go EuroCAD. I didn't trade it because it was a lot of choppy. It was going not in a right move which I wanted. But one thing I've realized that I analyzed all the pairs, then I decided to get 3 or 2 pairs to capitalize the market entries, which is Euro odd. I caught it right. So on Euro odd, I was expecting a long-term buy. So this was the long-term buy. However, it took me out here because I thought it will shoot up where it is now from yesterday. But however, it came to retest, then it went up again. So it took me out here, and let's see how many pips did I caught from my entry to my, it was 82 pips. Bear in mind guys, I believe maybe we are above 300 pips, which I caught yesterday only. And it was London session, if I'm not mistaken, or New York. Okay, it started around the end of the session of London, then on New York session, then it shoot up. On the Asian session at night, it came to retail, so I was already out of the market because touched my stop loss right somewhere while I was still in New York session. Then in the morning, today in the morning I just put this support level and this resistance level. Then I was waiting for a continuation. As we speak now, we are on profit on Euro USD because I know for the fact that it's supposed to come and touch. Let me close this session. It's supposed to come and touch here to complete this head and shoulders, you see. So there's a lot of entries which I will capitalize on this move. And remember, this is the bigger time frame, so all of the buyers are dominating from daily time frame to 15 minutes time frame. And then on New York session I waited for gold and Nasdaq. Then on gold, that's where I increased my lot size of the entry because it break out, then it retested. With this green candlestick, I waited for a retest only to find out it will retest until this golden zone. Then that's where I took my profit. I took my entries for sale, and the red candlestick came also for the last time to test this golden zone line. Then it went down until right here because my TP was this level. So let me calculate how many pips did I caught. So the pips which I caught on gold, it's 159 pips. So by rounding it off, it's 160 because it's 159.9. So already it's 160 pips. Even now you can see gold is still dropping as all time frames sellers are dominating also as well. So I think this one I will wait for a retest, then capitalize on it. If I knew, I would have put my stop loss maybe around here just to be still in profit, even though when it came to retest, I think I was going to still be on profit. Your gold is dropping, guys. Like as in now while I'm shooting this video, gold is dropping heavy. So let's go to Nasdaq. And also on Nasdaq, this upswing I didn't caught it while I was trading currency pairs, so I waited to trade Nasdaq and gold on New York session. Then that's where I capitalized also from. So it was a breakout, a false breakout, then a retest. I remember I waited for it to cross over this 15 moving average, meaning I went in for sale on this red candlestick, and my TP was right here, was 156 pips, which I caught on Nasdaq. Remember, Nasdaq and US30, they go hand in hand. I also went on US30 because I knew that Nasdaq is selling, so I went to look for a sell also on US30. Then it showed me a clear sell because it came for a retest, as if it will retest until trend line or the 15 moving average. When I saw that it had stopped to retest, I put my entries. Then around maybe 2 seconds, then it shoot down. Then I knew that okay, we are going for sell. Then I remember I caught it because I was busy moving my stop loss bit by bit until it took me out right here. I still remember. So this was 479 pips. So be advised, guys, that every pair that I trade, except for gold, they go in hand. So it's gold and Euro GBP. Those are the pairs which I analyze whenever I see better entry or a market structure which I can capitalize on. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below, share it if ever you have gained value. And this video is for the hustlers. As we always say, hustlers don't compete, we dominate. Kingpin signing out. Peace, guys.